welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I am Shruti and today we are going to cover a very exciting question and which has been in the mind of every aspiring entrepreneurs, that who can build a dating application? It might seem that anyone with a vision can, but it's not only about vision. Stick around and we'll break everything down for all of you. And let me tell you, if you seriously want to build a successful dating app, you can directly contact us on the contact number given in the description box. So let's get started with the video. Build a dating application. Technically, anyone with the right resources and determination can, but here's the breakdown. First up, tech professionals. So, if you have a background of developers, app management, or product management, or designer, then you can, because here you may have skills like coding, designing, UX designing, app architecture, and so much. So here you might have the technical know-how of building an application which is user-friendly as well as attractive. But what happens here is you might skip the human aspect of dating. So here's my team comes in and which will ensure that your application has the balance of both technicality as well as human aspect of dating. Second is entrepreneurs. So, if you are a business-savvy individuals with a huge innovation, then you will do this, because here you will be having skills like market research, profitability, growing your application and everything. So here you might have the best market research, you might understand the best market needs, and you can take your application to profitability in a very less time. But here you may lack the technical aspect or the relationship expertise in your application. So here my team can help you build an application which is best in the market with you and with the technicality we'll provide to you. Next up we have relationship experts. So if you have a background of counselor, psychologist, or relationship experts, then you will go amazing in this market, because here you will have the skills of human behavior, you will understand human behavior very well much, you will understand the whole relationship dynamics. So here you know everything about the dating, that what one person would be needing and what one person should be given, and we as an application, we as a platform holder can provide what to the customers and how your application go to the next level. But here what happens, you may lack the technical aspect of your application, means you are amazing in this whole relationship thing, you may create the best dating application, but you will need a team with excellent technical experts. And here my teams comes up. So here we'll do every technical thing so that you can do what you are best in. So we have seen everything that who can build a dating app. But let me tell you that if you seriously want to build an application, then you should focus on these three things. First is market research. So market research is very important for any kind of application. Then user experience, focus on the user experience, that your user experience, customer experience should be on the next level. And lastly, ethical consideration. So see that your application has compliances, has seen all the legal issues and follows all the rules and regulations. And combining everything in this video, we have covered everything that who should and who can build a dating application. But if you want to know further information, or if you seriously want to build a successful dating app, then you can directly contact us, because here me and my team are ready to help you out to bring out a dating app which will create future. So let's go together and build an application which will go top in this market. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can visit our website which is linked in the description. And if you have any doubt or any topic you would like us to cover next, please comment below. That's it for today's video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.